Want sizzling hot abs? Want bikini-ready results like these fast? Introducing Ab Rocket, the ab training secret that takes painful, boring ab exercises and makes them easy, fun, and effective. Just look at the results these people achieved in just 30 days with the Ab Rocket training program.
I'm amazed to see that not just in losing the fat and the roll over my stomach, I'm getting more definition, more cuts. It's everything that's needed to get your body in the best shape of your life.
Know that struggle to lift your neck and back with crunches? No more. With Ab Rocket, just sit or relax on the backrest and rock back. Your neck and back are supported on the contoured backrest while it provides resistance as you relax back, so you don't just fall backwards. Then, the resistance assists you with that difficult upward motion, giving you an easy liftoff. Like a soothing massage? Well, the soft cushion rollers on the backrest glide back and forth for an incredible massage. Do the signature Ab Rocket crunch, reverse crunch, and oblique exercises to zap love handles and turn that spare tire into rocket hard abs. Ab Rocket is also a Pilates assister. These effective core-shaping moves become easy. Why spend thousands on expensive gym memberships or Pilates equipment that can take up an entire room?